So these problems will be law of sines. In the first one here, we find y, we're going to find a side. So first of all, how do I know it's law of sines? So there is no right triangle here, so we know that's out. And to know it's not law of cosines, remember, law of cosines requires all three sides. And that means either all three sides have to be given, or you need two sides and you need to find the other side. And in this case, we only have one side, so law of cosines would be out. So therefore, we have law of sines. In this case, we can set up the equation. It would be the sine of 87 over 41 equals the sine of the angle across from y. We don't have the angle across from y, if you notice. We're missing that angle right there. But we have the other two, so we can find it. 180 minus 46 minus 87 gives us a 47-degree angle at the top of the triangle. So, sine of 47 over y. And then the rest of this is just solving. So, if you are having trouble, my suggestion is turn the sines into numbers right off the bat by going on your calculator and just typing them in. Oops, and I turned them in backwards. Now that we have those in, it's much easier to do the cross multiplying. We don't have to worry about the annoying sign of function that confuses people. So we end up with 0.9986y equals 0.7314 times 41. And lastly, divide by 0.9986, and we get y is 30.029. Alright, let's look at another one. This time we'll find the angle. Again, same things in play for the rules. There's no right triangle, and not all three sides are in play. Now, if you look, you can say we could find the other side, then all three sides are in play, but we're not being asked for the other side. So there's only two sides in play in the triangle, so law of sines. And so here, we get the sine of x over 13 equals the sine of 52 over 11, and then we just do the same steps. First, again, if you're having trouble, change the signs into numbers right off the bat. And then do the cross multiplying. And we get to sine of x equals 0.9313. Okay, and so now at this point on the calculator, remember you have to choose the sign -1 of x. So to get the answer, it's going to look like this on the calculator. And we end up with x being 68.64 degrees. That's it for law of sines.